Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. In this one I'm going to be telling you about Relevance AI tutorial for beginners. So what this platform is about and what it is capable to do. So let's just dive right in. You can see Relevance AI right in front of me. To access it, you can head over to relevanceai.com, make your account with your business mail or your personal mail. Once you do that, you will be able to see this type of dashboard. Now you can get started with a template. If you want to do, you can see you can invent AI agents today. Like for example, recently I created an agent. If you haven't seen our previous video where I grasped and unread emails from my mail and summarized them automatically without doing anything, literally without touching any button. So what you can do is, let's just say to build a tool, you can head over to this tools section, click on new tool, and here describe a repetitive manual task. We will build a tool for you. So like for example, schedule a tweet for a specific time, or maybe generate release notes from a recent GitHub PRs. Like so similar, you got the point, right? Once you build a tool, you will be able to do different kind of stuff automatically. You can see we have settings as well, from where we can simply create our projects and work within those projects. Like for example, we have this, and we also can simply go with agents. We can create different kind of agents, add tools. You can see we can modify different information within the tools as well. So this is currently Echo, which is a base or default tool. So if you want to learn more, you can view videos on our channels. And yeah, thank you so much. But before we sign out, you can head over to the link in the description to access Relevance AI and get your first agent created. So it is super exciting and fun. So make sure to give it a try. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.